Let's continue to record the cutting part. Then find on the desktop that I just made a round one. If you drew the picture in other software, you need the bottom. Well, I know these formats. What I made is DXF. Open it. Here, after coming in, you can choose multiple. You can also choose this one and keep it only. Just then confirm. After coming in, create path. Here, see here. Here's one, create a grid for multiple instances. Well, choose here. You see his list is 2. The number of raw materials is representative of the horizontal. Horizontal is also 2. 2 columns, 2 horizontally. Here. Here you can set the width of your foam. Here, you see we cut 4. The bubble he told you needs to be this big. If your bubble is bigger, you can lose here. For example, your cutting machine is 3 meters. You can set it here. Set a height of 3 meters, then the height of the foam can be changed here. The number of columns is the same. You can change it here. So let's say you want to do 6 columns. You can also choose here. Then you click Create Cutting Path. Here it will tell you 3 meters. And there are 6 columns. If yours is not enough, you can also come back here. Close and come back. It's okay here. Just set it up. Just cover this countertop. You set it up. After setting it up, click Create Cut Path. Then select the application here. Create correctly. Remember the code if you are a computer. You can set it up here. If you are the handle, set it up right here. Export to paths. Then save it to a USB stick.